Hello everyone, welcome back to the another video of Python series. Today we are going to understand OOPS in Python, that is object-oriented programming system, in a simple, practical and beginner-friendly way. If you have ever felt confused by terms like class, object, inheritance or polymorphism, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what OOPS is, why we use it and how Python supports it. So first of all, what exactly is OOPS? Object oriented programming is a way of writing programs where we combine data and behavior together into a single unit called an object. Instead of writing random functions and variables, OOPS helps us structure our code using classes as blueprints, object as real working entities, and Python fully supports OOPS, which makes it powerful, clean, and scalable for real world applications. Now, the big question is why should we use OOPS? First is better readability. OOPS code looks like real life concepts, so it's easier to understand. Second, code reusability. You write class once and reuse it in multiple projects. Third is better organization. Large programs are broken into small logical parts. Fourth, scalability. OOPS is perfect for big applications where multiple developers work together. And finally, less repetition. Using inheritance, we follow try principle. It means don't repeat yourself. Let's talk about the class. A class is simply a blueprint or template, just like an architectural plan before building a house. A class contains properties, the data, methods as the actions, constructor to initialize value. For example, a car class can have properties like color, speed, brand, and methods like start, stop, and accelerate. Now comes the object. An object is a real instance of a class. The class defines what and the object is the actual thing. In the Python example shown, we create a car class, then create an object called C and call the start method. This is how classes become usable in memory. Next is the constructor. A constructor is a special method called double underscore init and double underscore. It runs automatically when an object is created. Its job is to set initial values, prepare the object for use. In the student example, each time we create a student, name and age are automatically assigned. This makes object creation clean and organized. Inheritance allows one class to inherit features from another class. We have parent class and the child class. You can see parent class as common features and child class as specialized behavior. For example, dog inherits from animal. Dog can use sound function from animal and also have its own method like bark function. Inheritance saves time, avoids duplication, and keeps code consistent. Encapsulation is all about data security. It binds data and methods together and restricts direct access. And in Python, single underscore means internal use and double underscore makes data private. For example, let's talk about bank account. Balance account cannot be accessed directly. It can only be changed using methods. This prevents misuse and improves reliability. Now, two powerful concepts. Abstraction means hiding unnecessary details, like using a phone without knowing how it works internally. Polymorphism means same method name, different behavior. In the animal sound example, dog says woof, cat says meow, cow says moo. Same function, name, different outputs. That's polymorphism. So now let's take a quick summary of the OOPS concept. Class can be looked as blueprint and object can be your instance. Inheritance can be used for your code reuse, encapsulation for data protection, abstraction for hiding details, polymorphism for many forms. These are core pillars of OOPS. Now your next step is practice, and we will be covering practice and stuff in the upcoming videos, so don't worry about it. And like the video if you enjoyed this video or learned something new, and subscribe to the channel if guys are new to the channel, and comment if you want a hands-on OOPS project tutorial. See you guys in the next video.